There are 25 drivers providing community transport within North Montgomeryshire and Newtown. The volunteers provide a unique service that is tailored to the needs of each service user, offering friendship, support and the reassurance of being able to get home. Their nominator said they deserve recognition for their invaluable service within the community. Whether they are taking people shopping or to a hospital appointment, they are making a huge difference to people's lives.
These volunteers staunchly help to challenge ideas and proposals from an outside viewpoint, bringing perspective, intuition and fresh new thinking. They continually go above and beyond volunteering their time and expertise to transform existing and newly evolving projects. These key partners in development work have conquered many barriers and are a voice that is heard across Paris. The nominator said, "We are incredibly grateful for the invaluable contribution Rygan Parry, Sarah Dale, Jane Bishop, John Lilly and Hayley Pugh all provide in the creation, valuation and monitoring of mental health services."
Shop Llangor Shop has become a central functioning hub for sharing ideas and information across the local community. Without these volunteers, this hub of the community would not exist. The project demonstrates how important a sense of belonging can be and the positive effect that group action can have. Their nominator said, "Recognition of the volunteers' efforts will provide an additional boost to the volunteer group. This will allow us to further enhance our efforts and initiatives to support the local community which we serve."